Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a Pinterest banner to your Pinterest profile. If you guys are new to Guide Infinity, if you could hit the like button and the subscribe button, that would be amazing. Okay, so let's jump into it. So just to let you guys know, you do need to have a business account to do this. So I'm going to show you how you can convert your personal account into a business one and then go through how to add a Pinterest banner to your Pinterest profile. Okay, let's get started. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open Pinterest app. You then want to click on the profile icon in the bottom right hand of the screen, and then you want to come up to settings, which is at the top right hand corner of the screen. You then want to press on account management, and then you want to press on convert to a business account. And then you want to press on the red button that says convert account. So you want to add your profile name here in this box. So I'm going to call mine Video Tuts for video tutorials. Then click on the red next button. You then want to add your website here if you've got one. So I'm just going to pop mine in there. Click on the red next button. Then you want to describe your business. So I'm going to click on publisher or media. So you click on whichever one is relevant to you and then hit the red next button. Then answer if you'd be interested in running ads on Pinterest. I'm not sure yet, so I'm just going to click that last one and then hit the red next button. It's then just going to load up. So if you just keep pressing next at the bottom, next again, and then we're going to explore our profile to start with. Then you can see at the top here, it says your business account is ready to go, which is awesome. So now we can add our banner to our profile. So we then going to click on the profile button again in the bottom right hand corner. We are then going to come up to the three dots at the top and we are going to click on add cover image. You then need to select the image that you want to add for your banner. So I'm just going to select this one and then press the red done button at the top. It then says update profile cover. So if you click on the red button that says update, and then it will just load up for you. And then you can see profile cover has been updated and there it is, that beautiful looking sky. And that's it guys, that is how to add a Pinterest banner to your Pinterest profile. Thank you so much for watching guys. I really hope that you found this tutorial helpful. If you could hit the like button and the subscribe button, that would be amazing. And I will see you guys in the next one.